Welcome back to the Autoland, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles, scooters, and unique rides. If you love 2- and 3-wheeled adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Imagine setting out on an adventure, feeling the open road beneath you, the wind in your face, and knowing that wherever you stop, you have a cozy little home on wheels. That's the dream for many travel enthusiasts, and in 2025, it's becoming more accessible than ever with the Tricycle Camper. Over the years, we've seen a rise in compact, innovative camping solutions, but the idea of a fully functional camper attached to a 3-wheeled motorcycle is something truly special. The Tricycle Camper 2025 isn't just a novelty, it's a practical and efficient way to explore the world without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're an urban explorer, a countryside wanderer, or someone who just loves the freedom of the road, this unique vehicle offers an exciting new way to travel. At first glance, the Tricycle Camper looks like a well-designed, futuristic trike with an attached mini camper pod. But once you take a closer look, you realize how much thought has gone into making it a fully functional travel companion. It blends the best of both worlds, the mobility of a motorcycle and the convenience of a small camper. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its lightweight yet durable frame. Built with a combination of high-strength aluminum and carbon fiber, the Tricycle Camper is designed to handle various terrains while remaining easy to maneuver. Whether you're navigating through city streets or cruising on country roads, this trike maintains stability and balance, making it a safe and enjoyable ride. The camper section itself is a masterpiece of compact design. Despite its small size, it has everything you need for a comfortable overnight stay. The interior layout is smartly designed to maximize space, offering a fold-out bed that comfortably fits 1 or 2 people. There's also built-in storage for travel essentials, a small kitchenette with a portable stove, and even a compact fold-out table for dining or working on the go. One of the most impressive updates in the 2025 model is the integration of solar power. The roof of the camper is equipped with lightweight solar panels that provide enough energy to power small appliances, charge your devices, and even run a small ventilation system to keep the interior comfortable. This means that as long as you have sunlight, you can stay off the grid and enjoy your adventure without worrying about power sources. For those who love convenience, the Tricycle Camper also includes an advanced digital control system. Through a simple touchscreen interface, you can monitor battery levels, control the interior lighting, and even adjust the temperature inside the camper. Some models even offer a mobile app, allowing you to manage everything from your smartphone. When it comes to the riding experience, the Tricycle Camper 2025 doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a highly efficient engine, with both gasoline and electric hybrid options available. The hybrid model, in particular, is gaining popularity due to its fuel efficiency and eco-friendly design. With a full tank and a charged battery, you can cover impressive distances before needing to refuel or recharge. The suspension system has been specially designed to provide a smooth ride, even on rough terrain. This makes the Tricycle Camper a great choice for adventure seekers who want to explore beyond paved roads. Whether you're taking a scenic coastal route or heading into the mountains for a weekend getaway, this trike handles it all with ease. Another fantastic feature is its modular design. Many of the components are customizable, allowing riders to personalize their camper according to their needs. Want an extended awning for outdoor lounging? No problem. Need extra storage for longer trips? There are additional compartments available. This level of customization ensures that every rider can create the perfect setup for their travel style. Safety is always a priority, and the Tricycle Camper is equipped with a range of features to keep you secure on the road. Anti-lock brakes, traction control, and a rear-view camera all come standard, making it easier to navigate tight spaces and tricky terrain. LED headlights and signal lights ensure visibility, even in low-light conditions. For those who enjoy socializing, the Tricycle Camper is a great way to connect with like-minded travelers. Camper meetups and motorcycle rallies are becoming more common, and this unique ride is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Many owners are forming online communities to share travel tips, modifications, and favorite camping spots. So, who is the Tricycle Camper 2025 perfect for? It's an ideal option for solo travelers who want an easy-to-manage mobile home. It's also great for couples looking for a compact, affordable way to travel. Even digital nomads can benefit from this setup, as it provides a mobile workspace with all the essentials. Affordability is another key factor. Compared to full-sized camper vans or RVs, the Tricycle Camper is a budget-friendly alternative. It offers the freedom of the open road without the high costs associated with larger vehicles. Plus, its fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs make it even more appealing for long-term travelers. As we move into 2025, the demand for flexible, sustainable travel options continues to grow. The Tricycle Camper fits right into this trend, offering a unique, practical, and fun way to explore the world. Whether you're heading out for a weekend trip or planning a cross-country adventure, this innovative ride ensures that home is always with you and no matter where you go. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What do you think of the Tricycle Camper 2025? Would you take one on an adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on motorcycles, scooters, and all things two and three-wheeled. That's it for today's video. Thanks for joining us on this ride through the future of travel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous.